DJM TV.
My name is Reverend Father Augustine Adimegwa. Father Adimegwa is from Orauku in Edemmili, Anambra State, Biafran. I'm here on behalf of the Association of Priests here in the United States of America, a group of us, about numbering more than 50 of us, who have requested me to officially endorse the establishment of the Eastern Security Network by Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB members. And we also use this opportunity to thank Mazen Nnamdi Kanu for such a wonderful achievement, because Eastern Security Network is a child of necessity, where the federal government and the state governments have failed woefully to protect the people of Biafra land. Therefore, we are thanking them in a special way. We are thanking the members of the Eastern Security Network, those who are spending much of their time in the forest and bushes, trying to protect the lives of our people. We say kudos to them. We are supporting them both spiritually, financially, and otherwise. And we are calling on all well-meaning Biafrans, and even outside Biafra, to support this wonderful venture for the protection of the lives and properties of our people. I also understand that there are certain fraudulent accounts floating around, for which we have confirmed the accurate account information for those who want to support this venture. And the account information is, the name of the bank is Chase Bank. Account name is Indigenous People of Biafra, Patriots, Incorporated. This is for those who are in the United States of America. The routing number is 044000037. Again, the routing number is 044000037. The account number is 669-680-115. Again, the account number is 669-680-115. For those who want to Zelle in their money, you use the email address of the account, which is ipobusana@yahoo.com. Again, ipobusana@yahoo.com. For those who want to donate from outside the United States of America, you can go to the website, IPOB national website, which is www.ipobinusa.org/donate. Again, www.ipobinusa.org/donate and make your donation. We thank those who have been contributing to this wonderful venture, and we plead with those who are willing to do so to please help to nurture this wonderful venture for the protection of the lives and property of our people. Once again, thanks a lot to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and the people of our IPOB and Biafrans in general, and all those who are donating and contributing to the restoration of Biafra. Thanks and God bless.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and asked the question.
DJM TV.